Think you know Minecraft? Let's test that knowledge with a brand new Who Am I challenge. First, you'll need to craft an item frame. Open your crafting table and arrange 1 leather and 8 sticks in the crafting grid. Place the leather in the center slot and surround it with sticks. Now, place the item frame on any block you like. Then, place another block right next to it, leaving no gap between them. Craft or obtain an item. Rename it to something like Clue 1 using an anvil. Place this named item inside the item frame. Next, create a sign with a descriptive clue about another player. This could be their favorite activity, a specific block they love, or a funny habit. Place the sign directly next to the first block, adjacent to the item frame. Leave a gap of several blocks and place a second, empty item frame. This is where the guess will go. Have other players guess who the clue refers to by placing a named item representing that player in the empty item frame. If they're right, celebrate.